festive in this sweater. Guys, I love this sweater so much. And fun fact, thrifted her, Salvation Army, $6. Was it six? Was like $7 for this sweater, guys. Look at the quality. It's so nice. It's so good. It's so nice. Like, it's so nice. But anyways, yeah. It is November 7. My beauty, she's over there. You know what time it is? I'm gonna clean up the kitchen. I'm gonna clean up the kitchen. One thing I'ma do is clean up this kitchen. How about you? I want to make lots of Christmas content. I'm gonna be making sorrel. I'm gonna be making Christmas cake. I'm gonna be decorating trees. We're gonna be going out snowing. More snow. We're gonna be out snowing. We must be the weather. We're gonna be going out making snowmans in the backyard this winter because we finally have a backyard. Thank you, Jesus. And we're gonna go out to Burgoyne on a hill. I don't know what hill. We're gonna find a hill and we're gonna slay down that hill. But guys, I really just want to have a very merry festive Christmas, and that's the reason why I kind of started to decor from early. I'm gonna go shopping for more Christmas decoration. I need a nativity scene because Jesus is the reason for the season, and I want to make sure my little kids have that growing up just like I did. I knew growing up that the reason for the season was Jesus Christ. And I really want my family to have that experience too. Them can try to take Christ out of Christmas all they want, but not in this household. Anyways, so yeah, got some things planned. But anyways, guys, keep with me and then we're gonna edit. Yeah, I'm gonna let this thing stop following me because sometimes I find a time lapse a little bit hard to do, like post edits, if it's like moving all over the place. So we're gonna end the tracking and then we're just gonna, we're gonna clean up. Good morning, guys. So today is, start the day with the time. Today is, oh my goodness. Today is Friday, November 8th. It's 8:48 a.m. I just dropped my husband downtown and kids to daycare. These things I pick up from Marketplace because honestly, who's gonna buy some boots for like $90 odd, $100, $50 odd and upwards? Honestly, like maybe $80 a cheap one. And for winter time, you need more than one because you have to leave one at school, have one at home. The kids have a backyard. So when it snows, I know my son is going to want to go outside and play now. So, yeah. I am going to start the people them work a little late to the work. So, let's get it, let's go. Hey, guys. So, I am making saltfish fritters today. It's one of those days where we just want comfort food, and saltfish fritters is definitely that. I've added all the seasonings and everything to it already. I'm just waiting on this piece of saltfish to lose a little bit more salt, and then I'll just combine it, and then I will start the frying. So I know that I have done videos before I did a video on $200 worth of grocery. This is $300 worth of grocery, and I believe that this is a free gift, which is kind of crazy. That's why I love shopping from PC. I love shopping from Real Canadian Superstore because whenever you spend $300 or more, you get a free gift. So the last time we spent more than $300, I got a blanket and I sent it down with my cousin, like a cozy blanket. This time around, this is the free gift. So nice. I'm on the last batch. It's ready to turn. So let me just turn this down a little. That's so much fritters. Oh my gosh. And here you have enough fritters to feed like 1,000 people. Oh my goodness, but if I was downtown, I would have given some away if I were closer to friends, but I'm not, so yeah. Okay, so it's good. Hey guys, so I am about to do some errands. I am going to take a winter coat to get it dry clean. It's my beige coat that I bought last winter. It stayed way too bad to it doesn't look, no, it's not giving Shelone. So I'm gonna take that to the dry cleaners to get clean, and then I'm gonna head to the gym. I don't think I'll be taking you guys to the gym with me today, but I will be going to Home Sense to look at some Christmas stuff. But yeah, I'm gonna head out because it's cutting it close, and I wanna have enough time to, get back to the things that I need to get done for the rest of the day. So come along. I just finished my workout. The plan was to go to Home Sense, as I mentioned, but I think I'm just gonna opt to go home and get an early start on dinner today. Yeah, it's one of those days where like I think I've done enough. And my reward should not be my reward should be to not tempt myself with spending unnecessary money, and whatever money that I was going to spend at Home Sense today, I'll just transfer it over to our savings. Yeah. Oh my god, guys, I'm a Christmas fiend. I blame my husband. My husband was like, oh, I was by a Home Sense today, and no, he's like, oh my gosh, look at this Christmas decor. Oh, what is this Christmas? What is this place? And he's like, oh, it's Home Sense. And I'm like, why would you send me that voice? Why would you tell your Mrs. Claus wife about the most beautiful display that you've seen? Christmas display at Home Sense. Listen, I rebuke it in the name of the Lord. I'm gonna head home and start dinner. Okay? Alright. Hey guys. So we're at Launchpad today. We're gonna embarrass ourselves. We're gonna embarrass ourselves. We're gonna embarrass ourselves. Should be fun. Yes? Bum 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 ba-dum 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 bum bum ba-dum bum ba-dum ba-dum ba-dum